How to connect DJI Mic Mini on your Android phone. So first of all, on your Android phone, make sure that you have installed DJI Memo application. Once installed, all you would have to do is turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device. Now, as you have turned on Bluetooth, first of all, take the receiver and the transmitter. Make sure that these two devices have been turned on. Then on your receiver first, you'll see a pairing button. All you would have to do is double press on it. After this, you would see a blue light blinking. Now, similarly, on your transmitter, long press on the pairing button. After that, you will see a blue and a green light blinking together, which means that Bluetooth has been enabled on your DJI Mic Mini set. Now again, scroll down to your control panel of your Android phone. Then, as we had turned on Bluetooth, you would be able to see DJI Mic Mini device. Tap on it in order to pair with it. Now, as the device has been paired, let's launch DJI Memo application. Then, all you would have to do is create and log in to your account. Then you can see the category of Tap to Connect to Device. Simply tap on this plus button. Once you do so, you can see your device. Simply tap on the option of Connect. Now, once you have connected DJI Mic Mini to your Android device, on your phone, you can see Wireless Mic category. If you tap on this option, you can see a pop-up that says Allow DJI to access device information to activate device, unable to activate and obtain related information about value-added service in time if access is denied. Then simply go ahead and select the option of Authorize. Now you can see various settings over here. Make sure that you have turned on the toggle for each and every option that you see over here. Then simply tap on Exit. So that's how simply you can connect DJI Mic Mini on your Android devices. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.